No, it's not. Huh? You gonna make it back there? So, if you can get to maybe like right here, it slows down. Well, he wanted the minnow. How to get him back out there. How to get him back out to his home. Try to throw it this way as far as you can. Mm. Oh, Eli, I'm in your line. Do I have it? Yeah. There went the truck. What is that laying over there? Orange. Over there, is it on the ground? Water again. Oh, no, jeez. Oh, this ain't even on. I'm soaked. I'm getting soaked. squirrel. He's peeking off the tree. Run, Cobb. Oh, he's chasing a chipmunk. Oh. I think they were fighting. Good sign, though. Great sign. Yeah, it's a great sign.
Shut the fuck up. Try fucking, I'm gonna leave it right in the fucking tree right there.
Huh?
Oh, he's gonna be chirping for a fucking while.
That ain't the spirit.
He took your shit?
Yeah, I had a fish.
You're real hungry.
Well,
So he hit hard.
I mean, he's hungry, but he also hit it and let it go. If he was hungry, you know, he'd put that in his little tum tum. Because I know when Cobb's hungry, there ain't no nibbles. That boy.
Hey, fucking bird left pretty much an entire buffalo chicken pizza out.
Literally 2 slices out of it.
Why do you get that?
I don't know,
$5, Pat takes a slice of it.
Oh my god. He wakes up, walks up, right? Sees that box.
I didn't get that.
Oh, that's two cash, two. How am I touching?
Take my fish off.
Let me
Here you
touch him. I didn't even get to touch a fish. There we go. I got. Oh shit.
go.
He's trying to tag.
This dude's retarded.
What color are you using?
I was using like a. You got one? A lighter than oh, I was gonna say.
Bro, his fin's all messed up.
Watch out! I'm trying to get cast in there. Where was he? Right now.
Just straight out.
I should have got 2 different colors.
Hey.
There's a red, but I've never used the red. See, that's the thing. If I don't get a bite and not catch anything, that's one thing.
Yeah, but when you miss that fish, that's when it hurts.
I mean, look at this shit. They see my. Oh, no, looking for that one.
Oh, my
Yeah,
fault.
Joe throws his in there, and the fucking whole every fish comes at it.
No.
Oh, I swear to God.
What is this?
This is getting.
There's a fish on there, bro.
It was right.
What?
I've seen it come up too.
Are you kidding me?
This guy miscasted right
I didn't even mean to do that. There's no. I thought.
there.
Yeah, it was right there. I thought it was a rock. What?
Yeah, there goes mine. They don't give a shit.
I know. That was awesome.
Have you guys seen there's a slingshot fishing?
I'm fishing with a baby trout.
I gotta really. I gotta do it.
What are we doing with these rods here, fella?
Is that deep enough?
All I know is
Give it a shot. Pull that.
Put some snake heads in.
All I know
kill
is-
everything.
Put a slip shot? Oh shit. He said put a.
I did that. I cast it up by accident. Someone had a fish on there.
So where can we find some snake heads at?
I couldn't tell you that one.
Because you gotta kill them when you catch them.
Yeah, aren't they invasive?
Hoops down there throwing slurs. You caught a dead fish? You say you caught a dead fish? No, I said I missed him again. I gotta get some better footage.
I remember we was in Florida. I was just catching lizards. Brad Jordan finally caught one and it was dead. He was like, I got it.
Yeah, he's fucking fish. Go playing games.
That's how it's done.
Yeah, welcome to the fucking game, buddy.
He came out the water. Hold on, am I on your stuff? Oh no, that ain't good. Oh, never mind, we're good. No, that thing, I don't think.
We see a coal being rolled.
Yeah.
That might be that. I don't know.
Huh? Yeah.
Deep breath, it fucking hurts.
Take a deep breath, it
I
hurts.
don't know if I should be concerned about that. I don't know what that is.
That's a bass.
What the fuck?
That's a bass.
Wrong species, man.
Does this count? Oh, they don't ain't gonna hear me.
Oh, I got that one.
There we go.
Dude, they ask how many fish, not how many trout.
Yeah.
I got one.
We all got one on. Where's it at? Bro, that's a good one.
Hell yeah. That's a
There
nice
you
one.
go.
Get the 25. Oh, they're biting now.
Bro, I can't get this out.
Eli and Amanda must be sending them down.
Is it? Oh, I think he's got a little belly on him.
Oh.
You alright?
I thought he was going back to the wall. Oh, I looked stupid. Oh, he was barely in there. Yeah, I was... He wants to play right here. I want to play stupid. Look what happens.
I'll get him.
Oh, leave him here. They act stupid like that. Yeah, that probably did more damage than I did.
He's fine.
You see it,
Even little spirals.
well, there's number 10. Double digits.
15 on the day. Oh, fight, that's a fish. That's a big fish. Dude, wait, I think that's a bass. That is, that's a big smallmouth. Oh.
Do you lip these guys?
Yep. You caught him right on the bottom lip too.
Ow. I'm not looking at fucking. That's a perfect hook. I think he did it by himself too.
Here.
That hurt. Son of a bitch.
Put your finger in his on his bottom mouth. Put your finger in his lip.
Oh no.
Hold on.
My hands are all slimy. I can't.
What is going on here? Put your finger in there. There you go.
I'm trying, but the hook's gonna get me.
Put them in your bag. You taking them out. Here, let me get it.
Get the pliers in there. Oh, it's easy.
There you go.
There's two. That's not that.
Swimming up the creek with it.
Oh.
That isn't good. Hold on. I think it's just. Hold on. Are we all in it? Oh. There's one. Oh, he let it go, bro. There he is. Oh, Cobb. I gotta think. Oh, wait. I think I got a good one. Oh, never mind. Look at this thing. Dude, he hit that. He felt good when I first hooked it. Oh, that's not a bad one. Uh-huh. Oh, I think he swallowed it. Oh, dude, he just threw it up. Oh, it's alive. I'm gonna do putting it back on. Dude, I squeezed his stomach and he threw it up. It came out of his stomach. I watched it shoot up. It's alive too. He's going back on the hook. He's getting eaten twice. I gotta tie a hook on you. Ain't done. They're biting. Where'd you hook that one at? Down in the end. And you want to put them in here so it doesn't get in your finger? snag that, John. I hate this net is supposed to be so this doesn't happen, and it still happens. He might have to just get slung.
Okay. Come on. There we go.
Perfect. Dude, I don't know what this. Oh my God, this thing wasn't on. He started absolutely taking line. I think I got something big. Oh my Cooper. I'm about to go swimming. Oh my God. I'm going for this thing. I have to. If he gets off, I'm gonna scream. Oh! That's a beauty. Can you take my flick with this? Oh, dude, the hook is about to come out, too. Huh? The hook was coming out, too.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
Dude, you should have seen.
That is fucking massive.
When I first hooked it, you should have seen my line. Dude, I thought I had a shark.
You just keep getting.
Good?
Yeah, one of them had to be good.
All right, bud, come on. Oh, all right. He's ready. Dude, I didn't have this on for the, like when I hooked it. I turned it on after I was like fighting it.